Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Everyone is getting my voice? Everyone? You all are getting my voice? Switch on your video. Switch on, everyone. Everyone, please switch on your video.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Everyone has got the result yesterday.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Everyone has got the result.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So, what is the today's topic?
Good morning, sir.
Of networks topology. We will study about the topologies, right?
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Then, okay, good morning, everyone. Let everyone must join. Still few are waiting. So, result was good.
अपन चार्जिंग लगा देते हैं तो कम हो गया.
Who is
Yes,
talking?
sir.
Yes, sir.
You all have got good marks.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you have come just to study. So everyone must switch on your video so that I can recognize everyone. I can call you. You will answer me. Then it will look better, na?
Sir,
Yeah. Who?
me Om Kumar Tiwari.
Yes. Tell Om Kumar Tiwari.
Sir, can I see this video again?
Huh?
Can I repeat this class again?
Repeat this class again means?
I can see classes again on YouTube.
Why not? Last class also it is on YouTube.
Okay, sir, I can ask you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So here to everyone, video is switch off. Why, beta? You don't want to study? And whose name is GTX Gaming? Please change your name. Come with your original name, GTX Gaming. Who is there?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So few more are waiting.
Sir.
Good morning, everyone. Now I'm going to start the topic. So mute yourself, everyone.
Yes.
Mute yourself. Should I start? Okay. So topology. What topology is? Topology is nothing. It is the arrangement of our network devices. Whatever the network devices we are going to use, how we are going to arrange so that the picturize or arrangement in such a way so that they can share their information, their resources with each other in a easy manner. As in the case, suppose I have given you a task. Everyone in the class I have given means 40 students class is there. I have given a task that you have to do a particular work. Suppose I said that this is a bag of 100 kg, right? And you have to keep it at another location. Then everyone will start using their brain. How we can keep this aside, right? So someone will start picking it up. but it's 100 kg, right? You cannot pick. In that case, we will find some way so that it can be transferred easily. So what will we do? The first thing, as my view, is I will open the bag and I will make a chain of persons, and little bit I will transfer, and standing on my own position, it will be transferred to another location. Am I right? It will be the easy way.
Yes, sir.
Make a chain and transfer it. Suppose
Yes.
it is said that a straight chain you have made, and sometimes it is said that now you have to pick this bag, and by rotating it, it has to come back again. Then what will we do? We will make a chain of circular chain. We will pass the thing and it will come back to its original position, right? This is the arrangement as per the demand. What we are going to do as per this, if we are going to make arrangement, that is known as the topology. In the same way, network, in the case of network, the topology is the layout in which all the components, whether it is network, nodes, clients, whatever we are going to add, if we are going to add in such a way so that it is going to be do our work in easy manner, that is known as topology. There are so many types of topology depending on our requirements. Depending on our requirements, there are so many types of topology. The first, you all are having book. Beta, last time
Yes, sir.
also I said, whenever you are going for
Yes,
Zoom
sir.
class, you must have your book.
Yes, sir.
Have I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
You have said that.
Okay.
Sir,
So,
I have book.
So first topology I am going to show tell you, that is bus topology. What is bus topology? You can see the diagram of the bus topology. It is the topology, it uses single communication line. The best example I am telling you, your cable network. Your cable network. Cable network means if you are having your own dish TV, that is another. If you are
DTH.
dish
Yes, sir.
TV, DTH means the complete through the chhatari you are getting, right? If you are getting the connection from the operator, a wire comes to your house, and by putting the set-top box, you are receiving the signals. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes.
no mic, no mic. Mute yourself, Om Tiwari. Okay. So in this case, what I'm telling you, if you come out from your house, you will see that a straight wire goes. From there, they cut and they take another connection. Am I right? If I show you the example, you can see, suppose I'm telling you your straight wire it is going. Now I'm giving you, wait a minute. Now see, this is a straight wire. Are you getting straight wire? Is it clear to everyone? From here, 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 they used to cut the wire and they are giving connection to different families. It happens or not? Happens? If you see, it happens means the straight wire from in between, they used to make different connections. That is your bus topology. What is the harm of this bus topology? Suppose I am showing you the wire has broken from here. Then what will happen? The connectivity will never pass from this.
Sir, your voice is not.
Hello, hello. Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Voice is clear. So what happens in that case? Suppose,
Yes, sir.
Suppose the wire has been broken from here. Now the connectivity has been broken. The person beside this place, they are not going to get the connectivity. This is the drawback of the bus topology. Otherwise, in this case, since it has made a parallel connection, so connectivity is fast. Nowadays, you can see if you are using optical broadband at your home, the same cable it comes, and from in between they are giving the connection to different families, but connectivity loss is not there, right? So this is your bus topology. Next is your star topology. Star topology, this is the topology into which you can see from here we are going to make different connections. Means there will be a central server, from that the connectivity has been made to different positions. Are you getting this one? Is it clear? Right. So what happens in this case? Whatever resource this central server is having, it is passing resources to everyone. If one of the connectivity has been broken, then what will happen? Rest 4, they are working. Means the complete network will not drop. Right? Is it clear? Clear? Complete connectivity will not drop. The broken part only, it will not get connected. Others, they will remain connected. Right? Next is your ring topology. That is ring topology. In this, the connection is made in the form of ring. It is made in the form of ring. Here network, it is in the ring. What will happen? Again, it has been broken. Then what will happen? Will the network continue or discontinue? Alankita
Discontinue. Discontinue.
and Anya Gupta. Anya Gupta. Arya Gupta.
Discontinue.
Discontinue. To whom I will ask, they will only answer me. Right? Here Nikhil, Naitik, Asna, Yasi, everyone's video is off. Switch on your video so that I can remember you, I can recognize you. Right? Everyone, please switch on your video.
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
Everyone is getting better. The person who is not getting, it may be their network issue, because I am running on broadband. You all are running on broadband. Some are on mobile network, right? It may little bit problem with Zoom, right? And try to listen me. Okay. This bus topology. Next is the tree topology. This is tree topology. In this case, what happens in the case of tree topology? A connection has been created from a central switch or hub. So what will happen? Whatever part is broken, that will not be the part of the network. Other will be the part of the network. Means this is most of the places we are using the tree topology, so that it gives a faster connectivity, because it is going to be connected with a central device, that is switch or hub. With the help of switch or hub, it is connected so that it gives a better quality network, right? Now, the most important part is how accessing a file is done over any network, right? In any network, how the Alankita, someone is sitting behind you? Or
No, sir, my book is here.
okay, okay. Next, it has been given mesh technology. Topology. In this case, it makes a you can see the spider's web. You can see the diagram over there in mesh technology. It is given like this. It makes a web of the spider. Means somewhat, if a wire has been broken, it becomes very tough to find which wire has been broken, right? So there are different types of topologies. Now I am going to tell you how you are going to access your files on the network. Since I switched on my own system, others they are switched off. Otherwise I can show you. Now see, I am going to share you the screen so that you can understand the things. Now see, here it is, I am showing you the screen. This is network part. Now since I am working on a standalone computer, you can see here this network I have opened. This is my own lab, it is showing you. Otherwise here network, all the PCs which are going to be connected, it will show you the do not annotate beta. Who is annotating? Who? Beta, I can find out who has annotated on my screen. Do not do this one. I'm telling you who has done this. Okay. So now this part will give you the complete structure or the connected devices to whom you want to go. Suppose I want to go to this one. It's a network part. I will click on this one. Now you have entered into this. Whatever file you want to receive, you want to send the file, that can be done easily, right? This is your network part. Now this was the chapter, and for your network there is a network security. What is network security? So that no one can enter into your network. So what will happen in that case? Suppose a network security I have given onto the, if you have how many have visited any bank with your parents? Anyone has visited any time? Arya, your father is the bank, is in the bank. You have visited any time? Any bank? No. Arya, unmute yourself first. Huh? Your connectivity is low, beta, Arya. So what will happen? If you go to the bank, a person is sitting and working on the computer. If someone comes, immediately after leaving the seat, he log out his username. Then next person comes and logins
Sir,
with the,
your voice is not audible.
who? To whom?
Sir, me.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Voice is not
Yes,
clear.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now
No, sir, it's coming.
It is at another room. I'm at another room. Someone is working on this also. He is listening every voice.
Sir, it is clear.
I know. With the same time, testing is going on, beta. So
Sir, voice is clear.
now mute yourself. Mute yourself. Security means the person leaves the seat and next comes and logins with his or her own ID. This is so that fraud cannot be done. So security is of two types. One is a login security, second is the write security. The difference I am telling you. Login security means you can log into any of the network. You can log into any of the network because it has been given username and password by the network holder, and you can log into this one. And the security right security is that into which you have given special rights. Means suppose of your school server, you have gone the in your app, you can see you have got only students dashboard. You can work on the student dashboard, you can see your result, you can see your homework, everything related to student you can do. And teachers have got teacher security, means as a teacher they can do their task, right? Likewise different persons, they have got different securities, that is known as right security. But in all the types of security, everyone has given username and password, so that whenever you are going to log into any of the network, your log table it is created, and the server owner knows who has login at what time and from which device, everything. The same, you are logging to your app, we are getting the response from you, from which device name, whether it is Android or iOS or your laptop, everything we are getting, at what time you log in, right? So this is your different types of security. So this was the chapter. And student, we have completed almost every chapters of our half yearly. That Photoshop, it is not going to come in your half yearly. Have you seen the syllabus? Everyone has seen the syllabus. Only 4 chapters they are
I
going.
am having it.
4 chapters they are
Yes,
going to
sir.
come, right?
Yes, sir.
Now from onwards, I will go for revisional class through Zoom only. Saturday I am having class. That again will be
Yes,
a
sir.
Zoom class, right? That will again be a Zoom class. So students, now it's time for questionnaire. It's a time for questionnaire. Now those who want to ask, they will do like this, and I will give you the answer. Okay. Who's going? Nishtha Jingran, any question? Yes.
No, sir.
Why? That means you have not seen your book, you have not studied.
Sir, I
Studied?
have studied.
Then why you are not having any question? Now, who want to ask? Whatever question related to network you are having, that you can discuss here. Alankrita.
Sir, can you explain star topology?
Star topology, into this we arrange the network in the form of a star. It looks like star. So what will happen? From the central server, the data is transferred in a faster manner, because no one is going to use this one. Everyone they are using their own nodes, right? They are using their own nodes, and if sometime any wire has been broken from the topology or the star topology, the rest will work accordingly. There will be no effect in the working of others. Right? Alankita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Nimisha.
Sir, can you explain point-to-point topology?
Point-to-point topology is not there. Point-to-point, your peer-to-peer and point-to-point network is there.
No,
That is
sir. It is given in
client
the book
server.
point-to-point.
Sir,
Where?
in book it is given point-to-point topology. Sir, page number 12.
Yes, sir.
Page number
Yes, sir.
12.
12.
point-to-point. This is for smaller network. Suppose two of the computer at your home, you want to connect with each other, right? You want to connect, then direct with the help of wire you can connect it. Direct with the help of wire, you don't need any network items like your switch hub, right? This is point to point, means two computers, they can be connected, right, Nimisha?
Yes,
Nimish-
sir.
Okay, and who more? Yashi said, from which branch you are? Yashi? From which branch you are, beta? Yashi.
Sir, Samne Ghat. Sir, Samne Ghat.
Okay, okay.
And sir,
Acha,
Yashi, I'm not Yashi.
Yashi, I can remember
Yes,
you. You are the favorite student of Aditya, sir. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And anyone who want to ask? Anyone? Everyone's so video is off. Anyone? Unnati. Yes, Manaswi, wait. Unnati?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What's
Sir, we can
your voice is not audible. I'm not getting your voice. Again, what?
sir, we can connect our mobile from laptop using point-to-point network topology.
Why not? Using data cable. It has been discussed earlier. Using data cable, your laptop and your cell phone, they can be connected. You can transfer data from one to another. It has told. Now, Manaswi.
In mesh topology.
What? Sorry?
Sir, can you please explain mesh topology?
Mesh topology is that it is created in the form of spider's web. Wherever we are going to connect computers, it does not require any means systematic layout. From where I am getting the connectivity, I will connect that one. Suppose I am sitting here, I want to go to another room. जहां से जगह मिला वहीं से घुस गया. Right? This is your mesh topology. And Alankita, you are there also to ask question, na? Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you explain, sir, broadband is example of standalone computer is used for
Broadband-
standalone computer?
Broadband is a network. It is
Sir,
a
I am
network.
asking, sir, it is used for standalone as well as two computers also.
Again, I am telling you, beta, don't be confused, because broadband, it is a resource. You can use it alone as well as you can share it with the help of resource sharing with the help of network. You can share it. So we cannot say it's a standalone or network. It's a resource, right? Yes, yes, Yashi.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Yashi.
Sir, router and broadband are the same things.
No, broadband is a service, router is a device, right? With the help of router, we are splitting our connection into so many. Broadband, it's a service. Using that service, I can or anyone can be the part of the global network. While router, you are not getting any broadband connection, you can install your router. It will work.
Broadband is the service which router is the device which is used to do the broadband services.
No. Router, it expands the connectivity. Message has come from Zoom that we have exceeded the limit of 40 minutes. Nista, Fast, beta.
Sir, can you explain the work of physical topology?
Physical topology. Every topology is physical because we are connecting different devices, right? So,
Yes, sir.
okay, students, for today, this
Sir.
was, yes, who? It, Atma
Sir,
Prakash?
Atma Prakash.
Bolo beta.
Sir, router is wireless.
100%. It's a wireless device. Most of you are having Yashi. Her video has been stopped. So, in the case of router, it's a wireless device because whenever we are going to install it at any location just to make a Wi-Fi connectivity, right? Otherwise, you don't need Wi-Fi connectivity. Then
क्वेश्चन पे क्या छट करता है?
Hey, कौन है?
का छटकत का तो नहीं
कौन बोल रहा है जी? किसके घर से
कोई
बोल
नहीं
रहा है?
होता से
कौन
छटकत
बोल
तो
रहा है?
डाला ना कि दूसरा का तो कुछ करवा लो छटकत क्यों कर दम कौन की नहीं हम कर ले आई
हेलो
बहस से कर रहे हैं
हेलो
नाली का कीड़ा कहीं के
किसके घर से ये बातचीत हो रही है?
Sir, Sarthak name was coming.
Sir, Sarthak है.
कहाँ है सार्थक?
Yes, sir. It was Sarthak.
बेटा, do not do this one. At least 30-40 minutes you can maintain peace there. So, anyone? Atma Prakash, it is clear to you? Clear, Atma Prakash?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, may I?
Who?
Sir, can you explain? Sir, Nimisha.
हाँ.
Sir, can you explain right security?
Right security into which specific rights has been given to the person. As in the case, I'm telling you the example of your house. I'm giving you the example of your house. At your house, your father has got different rights, mother has got different rights, you have got different rights, right? So every user
Yes, sir.
have got different rights. Using that rights, they are working on network. And who want to ask?
Excuse me, sir.
Who? Tell your name. Unnati.
Sir, Naksha.
Nasa. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, in computer lab, which topology is there?
But I have not got your voice, please. Once again.
Sir, in computer lab, which topology is there?
Sorry, beta. It's not clear anyhow.
Sir.
Yes, tell again, beta. Nasa.
Sir, in computer lab, which topology is there?
In computer, which topology is there?
Yes.
Beta, if I am working on computer, it is a single one. If it becomes a part of the network, depending on the situation, how we are going to divide our work, how we are going to work on computers, that defines which topology is going to be used over. Standalone computer do not have any other topology, right? Okay, next.
Sir.
Huh?
Sir.
Unnati.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ask.
Sir, if we will connect our cell phone to laptop, we only sir, if we connect our cell phone to the laptop, only we can work only on laptop, or we can work on cell phone.
Both at the same time. You can work. Yes. Yes. Anyone? Yes. Kushag.
Jai Hind, sir. It's Kushag from
Jai Hind.
Samne.
हाँ, your name is given. Kushag grade भी सामने का.
If I want to cast the screen of my cell phone on my PC, what will be the procedure?
In that case, screen casting is there in your cell phone, but in your laptop, screencast facility is not there. You can connect your cell phone with your LED TVs that is having the screencast facility. With the help of that, using Wi-Fi connectivity of your cell phone and your TV set, you can be connected with each other. That is point-to-point network, right? With the laptop, Bluetooth, with the help of Bluetooth, you can connect, but screencasting is not there. Yes, Kushag, you said something.
We can't connect these both devices using data cable.
In your
By
laptop,
using data.
with Bluetooth as well as with the data cable, you can connect your cell phone and your laptop both ways. Yes. Anyone? Yes, Naitik.
Sir.
Naitik.
Sir, how many devices connected to hotspot with one mobile?
Most of the time 8, 16, 24, likewise you can add. But as you are going to connect more devices, network connectivity drops. In the case of broadband, if you are going to use other internet connection you are going to use. Otherwise, unlimited connection for sharing resources you can connect. Right? You will
Yes,
add more connectivity devices. Now, okay, this all for today. Okay, thank you students for being part of the class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, sir.
I think
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Most of the doubts. Wait, mute yourself first. I think most of the doubts of chapter 1 it has been cleared. Next time we will go with the SS. Okay, SS. We will go with SS. That chapter number 2. You must have a read. Must read the chapter so that we can be. Since it will be the revision class, you will ask the questions. I will clear your doubts so that in half yearly you can score more marks. Is it clear?
Sir, Adobe Photoshop CC is paid app. It's chargeable.
But actual to make the results and everything, we were busy. I will try to give you the video so that how can you download and how can you crack it. Right? I will provide you the link very soon. In both in all the groups I will drop. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
take care everyone.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.